we'd like to show you, we'd like to bring out Mr. Coda. She is actually from Rosebud. Let's give her a nice round of applause, everybody. She's going to be doing a style of dance originated by the Ojibwe, known as a jingle dress dance. One of the stories behind this dance is that this is a medicine dance or a prayer dance. And inside of each one of these cones, there are prayers. There are good thoughts placed into each one of them. The knot that holds that cone intact also holds those prayers intact. These young ladies will be called upon to dance for
Hi everybody, thanks for stopping by, looking at my channel. I hope you guys enjoy it. I just wanted to jump in here and remind everybody to like, share, and subscribe. Help me hype up this video. What you're looking at is my lifelong friend, Little Big Mountain. I'll leave the link in the description where you can find him, book shows. We've been buddies ever since we were in grade school. His parents are like second parents to me. May they rest in peace. But you're going to see his new family and some little pieces of his show that he's done nearby here in Central Florida. He does travel. You can find him on his website at gonativenow.com. Check him out on Facebook and enjoy the video. Like, share, and subscribe.
There are designated construction saying anyone trespass on this permits a felony act. Start with me already. Just in case it gets hot and, you know, gets hot or we're able to sit down.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. I come and go all day long. So.
That's cool. I appreciate you.
No. I don't.
Sure, here.
No, I don't do that now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'll take his tip.
He'll take his tip.
No, I'm just joking.
I appreciate it, but thank
Well, you would tip a chauffeur, right? Or whatever.
How are you?
Don't pet. Don't
Babe.
Touch him. No. There you go.
Hurry up. He's working and he hasn't been to a big event or anything in a while, so I want to make sure he's
You gotta keep him socialized.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
But I give him the command, you know, to say hi and warm up. But a lot of strangers, they just like to, you know what I mean?
In training, they're trained not to be pet
Yes.
because of medical alert. He's medical alert.
Oh,
It's a distraction, you know what I mean? He's not a pet, he's a medical.
Someone can have a seizure.
Yes.
He's a pet, not a medical. He's a medical equipment, you know?
Yep. You can learn a lot from a dog.
Oh yeah.
I've had my dogs, and I've got freedom now. It's kind of like when the kids leave the roost. I'm so happy. I have freedom. I feel like going to Vermont. I hop on an airplane, and away I go. I do miss an animal, though. I had little Shih Tzus were my last two.
My mom used to breed Shih Tzus.
Yeah?
Those are those little dogs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know you do.
The last dog, the one that I had for a dog was a pit bull. It's something else. I don't know if it was a boxer or something, but
yeah.
To look at him, all you see was muscles, but he was a marshmallow. He would not fight.
Oh wow.
And you know, it's just his personality.
Yeah, we were driving here. I got GPS, and then this, you know, the cops over there directing traffic, and they just had me go straight. And I'm like, I see everybody walking. I'm like, there's no way I'm gonna make it all the way up here.
Yeah. I'm gonna leave at about 1 o'clock. So
yeah.
Somebody else will bring you back and forth. So.
Yeah.
We got a couple of carts and for the last 3 hours, I've been coming and going back and forth. So
Is this gas? Yeah, it sounds like gas. I was gonna
Ready to
say.
leave? Oh, thank you. Come on, he's gonna give us right back.
yeah, jump aboard.
Thank you. We were just walking along.
It's all.
But we're not leaving yet, so
It's all uphill after.
thank you.
That's all we can do.
And we got a big boat coming up. What I can do with this.
What part?
Not a bad one. If you hit it straight on,
What
it's
is it?
quite a bump. There we go. Goodbye.
You're right back there, babe. Harley's loving this ride.
I bet.
Yeah. We have big property and we have a golf cart, so he loves the golf carts. Harley? No. No. Big more.
A lot of people are getting their exercise today.
Oh, for sure. Oh my gosh. It is very healing.
He's a blue heeler.
Healer?
Yep.
Yeah.
Harley, heel. Come here.
Do you know a
Sit.
dog can detect a seizure 20 minutes before the person has a
Isn't that
seizure?
amazing?
It's just amazing. He knows.
Oh yeah, he does everything.
He knows
Oh, look at
60
that.
tricks.
Here, pick up the leash.
Oh,
Leash.
And he's also medical alert.
Good.
He detects highs and low blood pressure, blood sugar.
blood sugar?
Yeah.
Well, must be mine's a little normal then. You detected on me. That's amazing.
Lots of training.
Yeah, yeah.
But
It's a lot of work.
So
on
is
the
this it?
dog.
Just everything over here?
Everything is up in the fort and up in the back. There's campsites. This is the more of the Seminole campsites with
Yeah.
the Seminoles. And they got an alligator show
that's
down,
probably where Little is.
way down. If you walk through the garden,
I'll find it. What
down to
circle?
the alligator show. I don't know when that is.
Yeah.
There's
What?
the event sheets and everything around here.
Okay.
So,
Appreciate it, guys.
You're
We're gonna go walking.
Thank you.
That divide boiled over on November 26, 1835, when conciliatory chief Charlie
I don't have
Amapa
earmuffs
was
for him.
murdered on his way to Wetumpka after selling his
Where'd Little
cattle
go?
right here at Fort King
Somewhere that
by
way.
Osceola and his band of warriors.
Hurry up.
Osceola scattered the coins about the trail, and it is said that both the body and the coins lay there untouched for 2 years. As tensions mounted and state militias were called up, an incident on December 18th further ramped up hostilities. On that date, a group of about 80 Seminoles ambushed a supply train moving south of present-day Gainesville, guarded by
Up, there's the evidence. Where'd
The
Little
Battle
go?
of Black Point resulted in 14 casualties.
Did he get a ride back or did he
The
walk
next
back?
two events would set the stage for the attack on Fort
Ooh.
King.
Them bleachers are hard as
Before
ass.
moving,
Hard
U.S.
on my
Army
ass.
General Duncan Clinch recalled a significant portion of the Fort King garrison.
From what
to
I'm
Fort
understanding,
Drane,
this
about
is like
20 miles
really,
to the
really loud,
northwest.
like way loud.
Oh, it is.
No
I've been through it
coincidence
already.
that Clinch's
But years
plantation
ago, and of course,
lay
I didn't have a dog with me.
adjacent to Fort Drane. Although the troops were redeployed for an offensive operation, they were.
You seen Little and his guns and stuff?
Fort King.
I don't know, is Little performing that or is he just doing the thing?
No.
The recent conflict
gonna watch
between
it.
Indian agent Wiley Thompson and Osceola. Thompson had Osceola imprisoned back in June of 1835. To reinforce Fort King, General Clinch
I'm
called
coming.
the garrison at Fort Brooke in Tampa.
You got it?
Post
Yeah.
expecting reinforcements via water at Tampa Bay. at
Hurry
the
up.
moment. So a small contingent
Head up.
of soldiers, no
See
more
you.
than 108
Yo.
officers
That
and men,
female dog was in heat. That's why he's acting this way.
Oh, I'm sure.
Fort Brooke on December 23rd.
Okay. Lulu's.
On that very same day, this past 14,
Your sugar's dropping very low.
Okay, we'll be alright. Don't panic, that only makes things worse. I'm fine.
Okay, I won't say words.
Osceola and his smaller band attacked Fort King, catching Thompson and Artillery Lieutenant Constantine.
I want a cigarette.
Well, we gotta go down here.
Following
Harley, wait for me. Hold on. It's 113, ain't too bad.
for the 300 yards to the agency office where they were fired upon by a party of Indians who rose to
Him and his dad, his dad used to put me on the spot too, and there only be a few of us because the 6-con wasn't that busy during the week.
Yeah.
But I just sit in the audience looking like a damn groupie, even though we were just friends waiting for him.
He
And
called you out? His dad used it?
he always, you know, jokes just to get laughs, and just like he did, like he's talking. Whenever we were in trouble, it was always his fault. We had some wild times. Do you smell what I smell?
I smell food.
That's what I smell.
It's way far away. We're gonna have a hard time just getting to our car.
Well, I'm not rushing yet. No. Hardy, wait. I said wait.
Babe. Because I can't hold it. Do you have that issue? No.
I don't even know which way we came in. Let's go down. Oops.
Came in-
I just hit him in the head.
We came in this way.
No.
Yeah, we
Straight ahead is
right there.
little setup, and over there to your left is the bench.
Right there is where we came
That's
in.
what I'm pointing to, and you're over here looking. I'm like, no. I'm telling you.
Ow. Ooh, you're not gonna be able to go down here.
Yeah.
Go sideways. I'm ready to go sit on the bench. Oh, he's pooping right there. Okay.
Oh, damn it.
That's all right. We got this stuff. It's not what I wanted to deal with.
Yeah, I got put one of these over your hands. Long overdue. Just need to-
Good Lord, look at it.
Okay.
big and old until I tell you how big they actually can get. This animal right here has been known to get up to roughly 200 pounds in weight. And that's not the most remarkable. They have also been known to get up to roughly 200 years old. So they get very big and very old. Now guys, look in the mouth as Heather's walking by. Look on that bottom jaw. There's a little piece of skin.
History camp over on the side. Be sure to stop over there and see I'm doing a pre-contact Igana as opposed to after contact La Florida. So if you guys can understand that, you'll understand. Now the purpose of our program though is to show you that there's a lot more to our native dancing in our songs and a lot of jumping around and yelling. Like you said, Hollywood got a head start on us.
They hit it straight on.
Already set.
Quite a bump. There we go. Goodbye.
You alright back there, babe?
Yeah.
Harley's loving this ride.
I bet.
Yeah. We have big property and we have a golf cart, so he loves the golf carts. Harley. No. No. Ignore.
A lot of people are getting their exercise today. So
Oh, for sure. Oh my gosh. It is very humiliating.
when I walked up here to get this cart, I was huffing and puffing by the time I got up here.
Very cool stuff.
It's a brown Jeep, Grand Cherokee. I think that's it on the right.
That's right here.
Yep. Yeah, there it is. Awesome.
Thank you so much.
Oh, that's ours. The trunk's opening. Harley, get in. In. Up. Come on, you're going to get your leash. Come on. Harley, up.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Harley, come here and let me get your leash off. Here.
I don't think you did lock the car.
Well, it's hard to tell, but whatever. Anything stolen? My damn shirt keeps covering my body cam. Hard in the back.
I'm taking this sweatshirt off. You know what? I'm just taking this sweatshirt off. It's too hot.
Next up, I'll take my shirt off too.